All right, another day hitting the water. Hitting it with my daughter and the wife. Hoping to get on some fish. We've had a couple days in a row out on the water and had a good time. Caught quite a few fish the other day and caught a couple decent ones yesterday. And I have some new lures to try out from 12 Oaks Custom. I told them that this right here is a color that does really well out here. So really excited to try it out here, and then have some new whopper ploppers to try as well. So wish us luck. Hopefully we can get on some and get some good footage of putting fish in the boat with these new lures. Don't tip over. Yeah. It's really the perfect breeze.
Yeah, it feels very good right now. Earlier I was a little worried because it was yucky outside.
So Chris had recommended these flat side ploppers. Said that they're really good about not twisting your line. And I've definitely noticed with the casts I've made at this point, it's not turned one time. It's stayed exactly like it should. So hopefully it stays that way. Guys, get your kids outdoors. There is no reason to leave them inside on tablets, on the TV all the time. I understand it is tough fishing with them. Ultimately, go through what's tough, get them outdoors, and enjoy time with your family outside. There's always something you can get them to do. She's got her fishing rod. She's going to go fishing at some point, but I told her, look, check out the islands on here. Come out, have fun, play. That's what she's doing. She's exploring. It's going to be fun for her no matter if she catches fish or not. Get your kids outside. Stop leaving them inside and going out by yourself.
There's a really pretty seashell and it was just standing on rock.
Yeah, we'll probably only get to fish for another hour and a half. You're good, baby girl.
I have to go between your lines.
You're good. You ain't gonna hurt me going between my line.
What if that hooks me?
Daddy won't get you, baby. Daddy's hooked myself plenty of times. I've not hooked anybody else. There we go.
Get one?
Yep. You want to throw it back in for Daddy when I get it in?
Yes.
Ooh. Wait till you see this.
Oh, that one.
Is it a big one?
No, it's not just a fish. It's a muskie.
What's a mussel?
It's a muskie.
Oh, you don't want to catch one of those.
Oh man, if I can get this in on the BFS rod, how awesome is that going to be? Oh!
Daddy, I'm coming.
That was pretty sweet.
Daddy had the first fish.
That was pretty stinking sweet.
You pulled it above the over. Oh no. I meant to go and give you a high five.
That was pretty stinking sweet.
No high fives in the kayaks, okay?
I know.
You gotta get close. We'll do virtual high fives, alright?
High five, Dad.
It almost let me just net it right away.
I know.
I don't think it realized it was hooked. And then it took off. I seen that tail come up and I was like,
Get there and start.
that's not a bass.
Oh, that would have been so nice, Dad. I'm going to say that you caught the first fish.
Yeah. Now you're going to check my line to make sure it's not. Nope, it didn't get it with its teeth. That was so cool.
What one are you using, Dad?
It's a little crankbait. Mom, if you need to go past us, go ahead.
Hi, viewers. I'm here leaving with my new lure on. I hope you like and subscribe my dad's channel.
Yeah. Yeah. I heard you, baby. Oh, there was a big fish just jumped right in front. Oh, that was a catfish. Did you see that just splash right by Dad?
Yes.
I had a catfish just chase my whopper plopper. Yeah. Daddy would put a head on it. Here, toss it to me. Just toss it to Daddy.
Nice catch.
Yep. Daddy uses those same lures.
It's nice. Mom, I got some loot. It was a nice fishing lure. Daddy has it now.
There's a good one. Oh. Just lost one. It snagged me up on the stick up and broke off.
It's so hard. It's a weird hard, but it's hard.
That's pretty awesome.
Hey viewers, I'm currently about to mark Shell Island by the Heart Stick. Shell Island!
Of course, she would wait until it's completely pitch black to catch one. First actual fish caught tonight. Had a couple on the line, but not actually gotten any in. It's all twisted up, just so you know. All right. Let this little guy go.